Hi everybody and welcome back to the hardest info to know. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to do a soft reset on your Creative Pebble Nova 2.0 head speakers. To do a soft reset, first we have to turn our speaker off. Just so we have to find the power button, which is here, and we have to hold our finger on this power button. Meanwhile, we have to find the power adapter and unplug it from the power outlet. Now we have to wait until this LED light turns off. It will take a while, don't worry. Wait a moment, it may take a while, of course, as I said. Now as you can see, it's not turned on. And now we can plug our power adapter back again into our power outlet. And now we can turn on our speaker.
Now in pairing mode, waiting for connection.
And that's it. Hope it helps you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.